Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Miss Seashell here. Today I'm going to share with you a quick cookie recipe. It is so delicious. It's called the 7-layer cookie. So let's get started. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 stick of butter, a cup of graham cracker crumbs, 6 ounces of chocolate chips. I use the semi-chocolate chips. 6 ounces of the butterscotch chips. A can of sweetened condensed milk. 3 ounces of shredded coconut. And a half a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. And that's why it's called the 7-layer cake or cookies, I'm sorry, because that's what comprises of everything. You're also going to need a good quarter sheet pan. I like this pan because it just makes for great bar cookies. And this is a USA pan. And I'll put all the information of all the ingredients and what I use for making these cookies. So I just wanted to share this pan that I use for my bar cookies. So I'm going to melt this butter here, and then this is going to be the first layer that you're going to put in the cookie sheet. So first you're just going to pour this butter into the pan, and you spread it around. Make sure it's evenly coated. Next, you're going to sprinkle all your graham cracker crumbs all over the bottom, or layer it just like that. Just make sure that's even. If you have to, you just take a spatula and just spread it out. So that's good and even. So next you're going to take your chocolate chips and you're just going to sprinkle those. All on top. And you want to get that even as well. Next, you're going to take your butterscotch chips. You're going to do the same thing. Just spread those out. Then your next layer is going to be your sweet and condensed milk. I'm just going to pour that evenly. Get that nice and smooth all over the chips and the graham crackers. And it's smelling good already, and it's not even baked yet. Get every last bit of that creamy condensed milk in there. Okay. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your coconut, and you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to layer your coconut on top, just like that. Make sure you cover every corner. You can spread that out. And then your last layer is going to be your chopped pecans. You're going to do the same thing. Sprinkle those evenly. And the first time I made this cookie, I was just impressed. I was just so impressed. But when I took them to work and shared them with my coworkers, by the end of the day, there was nothing left. So trust me, when you try this recipe, you're gonna love it. So now, just gonna pop this baby in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. You're gonna let it cool and then be ready to cut. Okay, this is what it looks like after baking for 30 minutes. All nice and bubbly and toasted. The pecans and the coconut. So we're going to let this cool and then we'll cut it and enjoy this sweet goodness. And there you have it. 7-layer cookie. It is warm and gooey, and the flavors of the chocolate and the butterscotch with that coconut, it just makes it so super sweet. So give it a try and tell me what you think. So I'm going to enjoy these with a cup of coffee, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.